Tesla service is here. Well, it is now nighttime here, and the service tech for my vehicle, the Model S, came by at around 11:20 this morning, and the other service tech went to the woman I live with's work and fixed the trunk shocks. So now, look at that, it goes up on its own, and the great thing, well, you can't see, this is a shock, or a strut. They replaced both of them, which I was very appreciative of, based on the fact that I think that the other shock, the left shock, was taking a lot of abuse because the right shock had lost all its oil. It doesn't look like he cleaned in there, but hey, that wasn't part of the deal. And now with my Model S, you're not going to believe this. So the whole reason why I contacted Tesla, oh you bugger, was because the, come on, open up, there you go, was because the connectivity, I wasn't getting any of my podcasts, I wasn't getting any of my streaming services. So in the service request, I basically said I'm not getting any of my information, the streaming, my podcasts, the connectivity. It was taking a long time for my car to connect to my Wi-Fi, and I'd already made a video about that, and thanks to all the people that replied with what issues it could be. Believe it or not, what they did is that they replaced the whole MCU. The entire MCU is brand spanking new, which is fantastic. I know it's not the version 3 or whatever. I mean, it's still original old stock, I'm sure. There's nothing fancy about this. But yeah, the guy came over. I was expecting that there would be an antenna that they would replace, and I thought it would be something at the top of the car, or you know, behind the mirror, or in that side mirror. That would be the Wi-Fi or the connectivity. But apparently all the modem and everything, I don't know, modem's not even the right word, all the communication stuff is inside of this MCU. So as I'm talking, I'm going to be showing pictures of what they did. I didn't want to film the guy when he was here because I didn't think that that was going to be too okay, because there was a lot of laptop stuff, so he was doing a lot of configuring. The only bad thing about, not even bad thing, like I don't know whether this is a $3,000 unit, I don't know, and it was free under warranty. This is good. I still have 11,000 kilometers of warranty left on this beast. So brand spanking new. The only sort of crappy thing is that I had to reconnect my phone, all my preferences. It's like getting a new computer, basically. Well, that's exactly what it is. The things that it did remember, though, was all my podcasts numbers and times, and same with my streaming services. It remembered my favorites, which is really cool. Let's turn that off. What's going on here? So it did remember all of my streaming stuff. So that's pretty fantastic. What I have to do now is I have to redo my home link. So I have to re-go through that process of hooking up my home link. I did have to reconnect the Wi-Fi, my cell phone, the Bluetooth, all those configurations I had to redo. But it seems that it's good. I mean, it's still connected to the Wi-Fi, but I'm not sold on. Maybe I am. No, I don't think I am. I'm not sold that this is live traffic. I don't think this. I think this is where they say, oh, well, this is a red light, so it's going to be sort of red there. This is a straight between two lights, so therefore that's going to be slow. This is a hill, so that's going to be slow. I don't know if I'm really getting live traffic on this, but, you know, hey. So that was it. So the whole thing took, I'm going to say 4 hours. He was here for about 4 hours, and to replace the whole thing. And it seemed that I did get the latest and greatest, oh, you bastard. Right. The latest and greatest, oh, look at that, program. Before I was with, I think it said 2019, but now I'm on 2020 4.1, and before I was on 2019 something something. So yeah, the latest and greatest. I had to rename the car. I had to do all of that. So there you go. The car is a lot better than it was, you know, at the beginning of the day. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please make sure you do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the things that you're supposed to do. Anyway, you take care, and I will talk to you later.